Monster.
And I'm Napoleon.
And today we are going to be making slimes that represent our Halloween costumes.
What?
But before we get started,
You guys can smash that like and subscribe to me 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
did you do it? And we post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I'm going to tell you my ingredients to look and get my slime to look like Cookie Monster. That was a lot more hard to say than I thought. Okay, so I got these two Cookie Monster colored glues, a silver glitter to kind of make it shine a little bit, because us Cookie Monsters shine. And I got these blue fishbowl beads to make them look furry.
Rylee, Cookie Monster shit.
I got these two sticky eyes because I feel like they're really sticky, so that's why they're in little packages. So yeah, those to make the eyes. I got this because I'm gonna make the mouth because I'm gonna be professional like that. And then I got these to make a cookie. I got this for the blue and maybe the brown for the cookie. I don't know yet. Some activator, of course, and then some shampoo, of course.
Ow! So I'm basically gonna be sculpting Napoleon Dynamite out of clay.
Instead of slime.
Instead of slime, and I'm trying to sculpt him from memory.
I mean, you are him, so.
I'm trying to remember.
How you look. I mean, you can't always look at yourself, right?
I got no mirror.
Exactly. I'm trying to make this mouth off of memory because I have no really good idea.
I have the memory of a walrus. I don't even know what.
Does that look like a mouth? I'm gonna check in the mirror and see if it even looks like it.
Alright, so have you guys ever watched Napoleon Dynamite? If you haven't, you should. So you guys know Merrick. Well, me and him went as Napoleon Dynamite and Pedro Sanchez. And man, was it funny. Here's a photo.
I just want to plain old Cookie Monster.
This looks creepy. I don't like it. It's creepy. Ah! His eyeball's sticking to me.
Sounds like you're saying tahine, tahine.
What? What does that even mean?
Isn't that like one slice?
Yeah. It happened already. It happened.
Ooh, these sticky eyes are sticky. Like, look it. Does that look like Cookie Monster? Wait. That is creepy.
That laugh sounded evil.
Alright, I'm done. Look at it, guys. What do you think? The eyes! These sticky eyes are like weird. They're not like sticking to
His eye fell out. Sorry, that was a very dramatic scream.
That was a weird scream.
Can we get a replay of that?
Was that your replay?
I'm a professional.
Oh no, that does not look like Cookie Monster. Whack!
I like smacking people's eyeballs.
I wonder how long you guys have been subscribed. And if you're not subscribed, go subscribe.
There's a big red button down below that you definitely should hit.
It's free.
It's free to subscribe. You should go do it. It's fun. If you do it, a hot dog will land on your roof. What?
I'm gonna overactivate it to make it look fluffy. That looks so good. That looks like a Cookie Monster. See, doesn't it? Look at it. Tell me that does not look like Cookie Monster. Look at. Doesn't that
Tell
look
me
so
this
good?
doesn't look like Napoleon Dynamite.
It doesn't look like Napoleon Dynamite. You told me to say it too. It looks like an axolotl.
How does this look like an axolotl? Everybody fly.
parts on my eye. Unleash the Cookie Monster.
Am I ashamed of this? No. I take that back. I'm very ashamed of this.
It's actually kind of a heavy bowl now that I think of it. I'm like rushing because I'm going to drop it. Everybody fall. Now you got that song stuck in my head. Is that even an actual song?
Yeah. Your dog farts. Your mom farts.
Mac farts so loud when he farts. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, like one time me and Rylee were watching YouTube on the couch, and then we hear and we look over, and Max is like, with his ears down, just like,
don't hurt me.
It just slipped out.
Mine looks really
I'm
good.
trying to do this to look bad on purpose.
Why?
I'm going for Napoleon art.
That looks like a Cookie Monster face. It's got like the fuzzy hair and everything. Like overactivating it was such a smart idea.
You're a professional at that.
You're a professional at that.
Ooh, ah, ee.
Ooh, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. La, da, di, da. La, da, 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 da.
Like a Snoop Dogg. La-di-da-di-da. Like a Snoop Dogg.
I think I deactivated this a little too much. For wanting to overactivate it. Try.
What you know about Rylee? No! His head looks like a carrot.
Okay, that was
Look at
information.
this dude, he got a carrot head.
Alright, I forgot to even add my fishbowl beads. It actually looks, I don't know what to say. 'Cause I want to say it looks good because it does, but he's trying to make it look bad. So I don't want to say it looks bad because that's rude.
It looks bad. See, it looks bad.
It looks bad, I guess.
Rylee.
Dude, you just told me to say it looks bad.
This does not look like that. It looks like Trey.
Who's Trey? Oh.
I'm done.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna eat you. Oh, cookie. I failed. Well, not really. I went for what I wanted. I tried to make Napoleon look as bad as I could, but it doesn't even look like him. His hair's too hard.
Alrighty guys, so I made Cookie with a Cookie Monster. I completely failed. I tried my best and that's all I could do. Except that I could have done a better mouth. Let me just if we took this off, alright, you guys saw, right? So now we're gonna go to complete drawing it time. We're gonna be a scientist. So we're gonna do a little bit of a procedure to remove the mouth. And so if we remove the mouth, it looks a lot better. Yeah, but oh my goodness. Here, you want to cook? Oh, wow. Alright guys, we hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like and subscribe button. We'll see you all next time.
Bye.
Cookie Monsters out.